Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2011 Hyundai IX35, stock number 7383. Ran from the 11th 2009 to the 9th 2013. It is a D4HA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed 4-wheel drive transmission. This is a D4HA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right front door 2 dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, automatic gear shifter, AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,